What's up, guys? JT over at Team FAS Motorsports again. If you guys saw in the live stream last night, we're going to be starting another contest today, another free giveaway, actually, not a contest. It will be for the Ranger ProLift, any lift kit that they make. For any of the Ranger models, completely free, your choice. So you can get either, just the front leveling kit or the rear, or you can get obviously the full lift. They make 2-inch, 3-inch. There's a whole variety of lifts that fit the Rangers. So super easy to enter. All you have to do is like our YouTube channel, Team FAS. Go over and like the Ranger ProLift Facebook page and fill out the form in the description. So all those links are going to be right below in the description. And there's also a bunch of other ways you can get entries, liking our Facebook page, liking the Instagram. So there's a number of different additional entries that you guys can sign up for. So again, shout out to Ranger ProLift for sponsoring this giveaway. It's absolutely free. We'll be running it on Facebook and on our YouTube channel. And go over and check them out. Check out all the products that they have. And good luck to everybody. This does end August 15th. So better to get in prior than later on and forget about it. So we'll go ahead and drop all those links in the description. Check them out, Ranger ProLift, and good luck to everybody. Again, we appreciate all the support. If you have any questions or comments, drop a comment below, like the video, and good luck to everybody.